News Audio, a muse for your mind, one summary at a time. And today we are going in. If there's one book that slap you with a wake up call and warm hug at the same time, it's Die Empty. The title alone, savage, necessary, genius. Because let's face it, too many people leave this planet with their best work still inside them. Songs never sung, ideas never built, stories never told. Not you, not after today. Chapter 1. The most valuable land in the world is a cemetery. Oof. Talk about starting with a punch. Todd Henry opens the book by saying, the most valuable land in the world is the graveyard. Why? Because that's where dreams are buried. Unwritten books, unlaunched businesses, unspoken words. All the things people meant to do but never did. This book is your call to action, a blueprint to make sure that when you go empty. Having poured out your best work, your best effort, and your best ideas. That's the goal. Die empty. Chapter 2. Brilliance demands effort, not luck. No genius doesn't strike like lightning, and your best work won't just appear one day. Todd's message: brilliance is a result of deliberate, consistent, and courageous work over time. Forget waiting for motivation, that's amateur hour. Real creators, real change makers, real humans of impact, they show up every single day. Start seeing your life as your canvas and ask yourself, am I creating or coasting? Chapter 3. The 7 Deadly Sins of Mediocrity. Todd Henry breaks down the 7 sins that keeps you average, uninspired, and creatively bankrupt. Let's rip through them. First, aimlessness. No direction equals wasted effort. Second, boredom. You stop challenging yourself. Third, comfort. The danger zone of mediocrity. Fourth, delusion. Lying to yourself about your potential. Fifth, ego. Believing you already know it all. Sixth, fear. Letting doubt win every argument. Seventh, guardedness. Refusing to share your work until it's perfect. Sound familiar? We have all been there. But awareness equals step 1. Once you spot them, you can stop them. Chapter 4. Be fearlessly curious, not chronically comfortable. Todd introduces a mindset shift. Stay curious, stay uncomfortable, stay alive. Growth happens at the edge of discomfort. That means saying yes to that scary opportunity, starting before you're ready, publishing the blog post even if no one claps. It's about pushing past resistance and building daily discipline to stay in motion, even when no one's watching. Remember, comfort is cozy, but nothing remarkable ever came from a comfort zone. Chapter 5. Build your personal code. What do you stand for? What do you protect? What will you never compromise on? Todd Henry challenges you to build your personal code, a set of non negotiables that anchor your work and life. This ain't about branding, this is about alignment. Ask yourself, what kind of legacy am I building? What do I want to be remembered for? What would I regret not doing? Your answers, you can comment down below. Your answers will be your compass. Let it guide you how you spend your energy every single day. Chapter 6. Get on the grid before time runs out. Here's a cold, honest truth. You don't have unlimited time, but you do have right now. Todd introduces the grid method, a system for evaluating where your energy goes in three zones. First, mapping what you're planning. Second, making what you're creating. Third, meshing how you improve and innovate. Too many people get stuck in mapping, planning, dreaming, preparing, but never executing. Todd's advice: spend more time making. That's where the magic lives. Put brush to the canvas. Hit publish. Make the call. Don't just outline your legacy, build it. Chapter 7. Kill the someday syndrome. Raise your hand if you ever said, I'll write that book someday. I'll start that business someday. When I have more time, then I'll do that. Todd says someday is a lie. You don't find time, you make it, you claim it. Because if you don't prioritize your purpose, the world will gladly hand you distractions. So, what's one thing you're postponing that deserves to be started now? Do it, because one day it will be too late. Final thought: don't leave this planet full. Here's the core message of Die Empty wrapped up in one line: make a dent, not later, now. Pour yourself out fully, fiercely, without regret. Leave no brilliance behind, no ideas buried, no songs unsung. Because the goal isn't to arrive at the grave in pristine condition. It's to skid in sideways, empty, used up, shouting, damn, that was one hell of a ride. Now let's wrap this muse. If this summary hit you in the soul, that's not an accident. That's your muse tapping you on the shoulder. So here's your challenge. Do one thing today that brings you closer to your empty. Share that post. Pitch that idea. Start the thing. And don't forget, more powerful, punchy, no fluff summaries are waiting for you here at Mind Muse Audio. A muse for your mind, a fire for your masterpiece, a nudge before someday becomes never. Until next time, die empty, live full. Mind Muse Audio out.